Imagine yourself in this 2010 Toyota Camry XLE. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, ABS, aluminum wheels, automatic headlights, fog lamps, daytime running lights and premium sound system. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.